Hello viewers. Today we learn about ovary, part of female genital tract. Must like and subscribe our channel for easy learning. Introduction of ovary. There are two ovaries. They are pearl gray and almond shaped. They lies on either side of uterus, behind the posterior layer of broad ligament near the lateral pelvic wall. Ovaries are 4 cm in length, 2.5 cm in breadth, and thickness is 1.5 cm. Each ovarian weighs is 4 to 8 grams. Ovaries are intraperitoneal organ. They have no peritoneal covering. Diagram shows ovary in a green color. The ovaries are attached to the cornu of the uterus by the ovarian ligaments and to the pelvic by infundibulopelvic fold. The mesuvarian, which is attached to the hilum of ovary, is a fold of ovary by which the ovary is attached to the posterior layer of broad ligaments. The blood vessels, lymphatics and nerves enters the hilum of ovary through the meso-ovarian. In clinical practice, the tube, ovary, and its mesentery are collectively called adnexum or appendages. The ovary is covered by modified area of peritoneum called as germinal epithelium, beneath which is a thin fibrous capsule called the tunica albuginea. The ovary usually lies near the lateral wall of pelvis in a depression called the ovaria fossa. The ovarian fossa is bounded by the external and internal iliac arteries. Structure of an ovary, shown in diagram. Secondary follicle, oocyte, primary follicles, primordial follicles, ovarian ligament, degenerating corpus luteum, developing corpus luteum, ovulated ovum, corona radiata. Ovaries have two zones, medulla and cortex. First we discuss about medulla. Medulla is the inner core of ovary adjoining the hilum. It consists mostly of blood vessels and nerves with a loosely packed fibrous tissue. The blood vessels divide in the medulla and supply the cortex. Now we discuss about cortex. Cortex is the outer zone of ovary covered by cuboidal epithelium. Stroma. Stroma has fibrous tissue and spindle-shaped parenchyma cells. Primordial and Graafian follicles are found in it. The mature Graafian follicles appear on the surface of the ovary. The parenchymatous cells proliferate around the Graafian follicle to form theca interna and externa. Diagram shows medulla contains neurovascular structure. Cortex contains ovarian follicles. This is a hilum. Cuboidal epithelium ovary. Positions of ovary. In nulliparous adult, below the pelvic brim in the ovarian fossa. The newborn, above the pelvic brim. In multiparous female, may prolapsed in the recto. Uterine pouch, ectopic ovary, in the inguinal canal or in the labium majus. Suspensory ligaments of ovary. Suspensory ligaments is the lateral part of broad ligament, connecting the mesuvarian to the lateral pelvic wall. It contains blood and lymphatics vessels and nerve cells. Ligament of ovary. Broad ligament. Suspensory ligament of ovary. Round ligament. The round ligament of the ovary is the remains of the upper part of gubernaculum, and extends from the medial margin of the ovary to the lateral wall of uterus. Blood supply of ovary. Arteries. Ovarian artery. Veins. Ovarian vein drain into inferior vena cava. Lymph drainage. Drain into para-aortic lymph node. Nerve supply. Aortic plexus supplies the ovary. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our channel for upcoming topic.